Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print from your gallery on the printer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the printer button down below, which is the first option, and after that click on photos, which is in the second column. Then you should select a picture from your gallery and tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can check out the print layout of the photo print, and then click on the print button if you are satisfied with how it looks like, but you can also edit it down below. As you can see, there is the edit button. So select your printer, then your copy, so the number of copies. You can size it up by the plus icon and size it down by the minus icon, and then click on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen if you are ready to print it out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.